What we have right here is a nice high-end PC build, by the way. Shout out to those on Toasty Clips who are watching this video. I'm going to go ahead and run over the specs real quick so you guys know exactly what we're building. So listen up, because I'm not going to repeat it again. Heart. What we have right here is a Ryzen 9 7900X. We are using a Gigabyte X670 Aorus Elite AX Wi-Fi board. We have 32 gigs of DDR5 memory, GSkill Ripjaws S5 at 6,000 megahertz. We have a WD Black 1TB SN770 Gen 4 SSD. We're rocking the PNY RTX 4070ti. We are also cooling said CPU with the NZXT Kraken 280mm, and the power supply is the FSP Hydro G Pro 1000 watt PCI Gen 5 ready power supply, all going inside the H5 Flow RGB, which has RGB fans installed. So, yeah, shout out. I got to build an i5 13400F and an ARC A770. What do you think? Nice. You can easily play 1440p with that setup, for sure. I would definitely recommend it. 1440p monitors are getting very affordable. A770 is just going to keep getting better. Hopefully Intel keeps supporting it long term, which I don't see a reason why they wouldn't. But that's going to be a card, I believe, probably like a year and a half, 2 years from now, people are going to look back on it and be like, wow, that was a great deal. Especially with the 16 gigs of VRAM, I think it's going to age very well. I think it is the fish smell, to be honest. Just kidding, it's not the fish smell, it's my disease. Everyone's had a disease here ever since that bachelor trip. The 4070 Ti 16 gig will be a pretty good value. I don't know, I think I want to do a PC build here soon with a used RX 6800, because you can get those bad boys for like $400, and I think that's a way better buy, in my opinion. Oh, Jackson's here, perfect timing.
I'll entertain you.
I just can't talk without me like dying.
Chat, we're feeling really good.
I need Jackson here because I just keep.
What's up, guys? Sorry, I was having. I was about to say lunch. I was having breakfast with the grandma. Let's see where 7900X is any bent pins. Got him.
Likely.
This one. I'll get Michael ones. See, Michael one's never been touched. Michael, it's your birthday today. Ice cream and cake are on the way.
What do you think is the best value for money GPU now that 40 series is out? If I was told like what is the best GPU that I'm getting the most out of my money for, I think like AMD's like the 6700 and the 6700 XT, because the 6700 is down to like 269 now. And you get 10 gigs of VRAM, and I think it's very comparable performance to like the 4060 Ti. So like, and I think that's mid-range. I'm trying to think of anything else. I know, obviously, it's AMD. No one. The thing is, we preach AMD all the time, but everyone still buys NVIDIA, so it's really like whatever.
I like what Zach said. I'll take my bereavement leave.
No,
he's ready to have his funeral.
Garage, and I was like, why is my car just going? Like that's a heat pump.
We can do a 0-60 short.
Yes.
You know, it's just crazy because you know that would just instantly do well.
All right.
Anything involving like a vehicle or bike that's a short.
There's like full TikTok accounts just devoted to people who own a Tesla, and they just make random videos like, today I hate this about my Tesla. Today I like this about my Tesla, and it's just like.
I can imagine like there's probably tons of ASMR ones where it's just like, you know, opening the doors and stuff like that. Am I looking extra fine today? Am I looking extra thick? I try.
Have you guys been to Commutex? No, we have not. I don't know if I would have any interest in going. I've seen a lot of people go, but I don't know. Jackson would have to buy a boat to get to Commutex.
No, yeah, I would just have to fly at that point. Yeah, no, that's one for me where it'd only be like, it'd have to be like a lifetime opportunity. Otherwise, it's just like, I don't even know.
Commutex is, the only benefit is if you really wanted to go to like Taipei and that area, but in reality, it's really just CES and Taipei with like the environment of Taipei, which you do get like, some of the cool things are you get like, I know some of the companies will give you tours of their actual factories and stuff like that, so. Day 12 of asking for a free gaming laptop. No, I want
I see what you're saying. Yes, you can go in my place. Yes. I will allow that.
Well, see, we're going to Canada to see Papa Linus, so don't you worry. Linus will have fun in Taipei, but we'll see him in Canada.
I'm really hoping that we get a picture with Linus. I'm kind of making that like one of the goals, honestly.
Okay, yeah, I think that's pretty easy.
And to go to his house.
Pull him in his house.
Well, is that a little bit?
He's like, I'm going to your house, bro. I'm following you. I binge watch your videos. Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you for supporting us. Fun.
Nobody ever does that.
Nobody watches any of our videos.
Sadly, I don't even think all that stuff would really equate to a boat. Or I mean, well, not a yacht.
He needs the Mayflower.
I'm gonna become a pilgrim.
Y'all are gonna have to pilgrimage all the way across.
I'm not a fan how they like. I wish the cables were on the same side as the tubes.
Yo, thank you for the sub. Anonymous. That's not a gifted sub. That's a Prime sub. Why does it say gifted sub? Thank you. Guys, we're almost to our old sub goal. Wow.
Look at that. Yeah, I definitely want to get once you. Do you think you're still gonna do your setup today?
Yeah, I think so.
I'm hoping Jonah will get most of his stuff because I want to do like.
It said one thing was delivered yesterday for him.
Oh, cool. Yeah, I want to do like a little like Instagram. You know, like how you can post like multiple like slides. I want to do like one of those. Like each, I want to be like, here's all of the, you know, meet the ToastyBros and like each of the setups. Let's see if this actually looks good. Oh yeah. Oh.
Nice.
Wow, I like that. All right, we need long voice screws.
Still not on the new stream PC. That it did not happen yesterday.
That may happen today. Keyword on the may. Keyword on the.
I told them that it would be ready by the next giveaway stream at minimum.
Yeah, you went from you said I'll do it tomorrow, and then you went from okay, it'll be done within a month.
It'll be done within a month, I promise.
Yeah, dude, that picture I posted of your PC did like it got like 500 likes. It was such good photos. Matt's new PC, yeah, it looks cleaner than bleached inside a Tide Pod.
Oh,
I've never heard someone say that, but I'm gonna start using that.
I have concerns about the desk.
When's Jack getting a new PC? Oh, buddy, I'm already way ahead. Dang, that is shiny. That's a mirror. Yeah, I'm already way ahead of you. I actually before Matt's
The
PC,
video that went live yesterday is what he has now.
Yeah. Has yours gone live yet?
Yes.
So many companies are finally like coming through to AirGB. See, this is just another great example of the PC world could just be better if we could all get along.
Yeah. Like I get the simplifying it, but it's just another layer to add to like some other company's different way of doing RGB.
Yeah.
It's just different.
Yeah, mine at least in my background. Like my actual I guess the streams are fairly cozy, but like no one can see outside the stream. I feel like outside it's just kind of.
See, the thing was the Aries game, like they were good, but they're like the same price as all other brands now. So like,
if they were still cheaper, we would definitely still be using them. But
they're the same price as ones that are technically better. Even though I mean we've been fine with Aries games too. The ones that are
the ones that people hate less.
Yeah, the ones that people hate less are the same price. So it's just kind of like
You know they call copper fool's gold.
And this PC run War Thunder, yes.
Oh yeah.
War Thunder.
Yeah, this PC is gonna be really good for a lot of things. This one here, you could definitely stretch into 4K gaming. It's mainly just that vertically mount GPUs. Remember how I used to hate it, and now like I'm really coming through.
Well, it becomes much easier to do.
Yeah, I used to hate how you always had to buy your own cable, you had to buy your own brackets. They never felt good. Metalhead is correct. $80,000 for an 8,000-pound coil of copper at your work. That's insane. $80,000. Mustic side-eye. Criminal offense. This was a really easy build.
Zach,
Whoa.
Jonah.
Were you worried I was gonna come in today?
I mean, I like that he feels like he fits in so much already. That he already has to harass. Yeah. I was like, Chad, look at this build, and I went to lift it up, and yeah, just tore it in half. I was like, oh, whoops.
Yes, this one will be sold at PCBros. One thing to clarify, I know a lot of people get the confusion. PCBros.tech is our PC selling business. It is owned by the same people, us, who run ToastyBros, but it is a separate business. So, you know, when you say buy from the ToastyBros store, you're buying from PCBros.
Also, tool, stickers.
Stickers.
I don't know if you have the Hydro stickers yet, they look pretty cool. How much is this PC?
Why you buy it?
2,400. No.
I have an amazing TikTok to show you, Jackson.
Alright guys, we're ready to Cinco Nami. Love you all. See you tomorrow morning. Peace out.